Test connection. Okay, it's working. Okay, back to the editor. Okay, so we want to get this timestamp data into something that's manageable. So let's try just date as date 2. Let's see what happens there. Oh, that seemed to work. Awesome. Okay. So we'll create a view there. Now let's go over to here. Or do we want to... Here, I'm going to show you guys. I think this is a good way to label this. So we want to say weather by date, and then I'm going to give it a version number of 0.0.1. So let's see if that works. Create view. Okay, so that seems to work. Okay. Whoop. Nope, it doesn't work. Oh, we can't do decimals. Son of a gun. Okay. Well, we'll use underscores. And we'll add this functionality later, so you can just do decimals instead. Okay, create view. Back to the graph. Okay, here we go. Now we've got our Google Analytics and our weather analytics, and they both have a date column. So let's join on the date column. Are you ready? I'm super excited. Date 2, and then this one is date. Whoop. Right? So yeah, we have a date, and then looking at, oh here, let's just look at it this way. Dependencies, weather, and it's called day 2 capitalized. Okay, so let's capitalize it. Okay, preview. Oh, maybe we should have previewed it first. Preview? Can I preview? No. Gotta wait, gotta wait. All the data, all the data. There's too much data in this weather thing. Oh, and we wanna change the name of this anyway. So while that's running, we'll change the name of it. So weather analytics join. We'll use our format 0, or our semantic versioning format 001. And preview. Hopefully this works. Run a preview. Will it work or it won't work? Oh, no overlapping data. Darn. So this date data, or this weather data, is old. And all my Google Analytics data is new. So how do we fix this? Well, whatever. Let's do some real analysis. We'll delete this. Just start analyzing this actual data. Okay, so let's say we want to find out. I want to group by page path. So I'm going to add a new model. And I'll select let's find out how well we're doing